Well, the heaviest of the rain, as we talked about, is actually coming down right now in parts of Allegheny County. That's as a cold front slides through, and that also means that our high temperature likely is already topped out. In fact, we were at 60 degrees last hour. This hour coming in at 56. Doubt we get back to that 60-degree mark again. Notice the winds. We said this morning, or I said this morning, you will know when the cold front comes through because our winds will switch. Instead of being out of the south like they were all morning long, they'll be out of the west. Wouldn't you know it, they are out of the west, 18 miles an hour right now, so they are picking up. We do expect fairly strong winds this afternoon, and we could see wind gusts topping 30 miles an hour, so just be ready for that as our temperature will either hold steady or slowly go down for the rest of the day. The barometer 29 3600ths of an inch. Dew point now all the way down to 55 degrees, so it's starting to go down as well. As drier air starts to filter in on the backside of the system. Just wanted to quickly show you how much rain we've seen so far. Through the high noon, we have seen just that half an inch of rain. Could pick up another 0.05 of an inch, maybe even upwards of 1/10 of an inch as this front slides through. That's in addition to the basically just shy of 1/5 of an inch of rain that we saw yesterday in the Pittsburgh area. So we have picked up some rain. The good news, though, the rain's been fairly steady, so we're not expecting to see any issues out there with river flooding at this point. We will watch, though, over the course of the rest of the weekend as we have a couple of other chances for some rain late Saturday into Sunday, so we'll watch that closely. Here's the front right there. You can start to see it. It's not a strong front at all, but as that comes through, the backside of the system winds out of the west. We get a push of colder air as well, and that'll be in place all weekend long. High temperatures both Saturday and Sunday only expected to be in the 50s. You can see this big system, area of low pressure right here, all sliding off to the east as it does all of that moisture ahead. Drier conditions behind it. We'll actually see a little bit of that first thing on Saturday morning before clouds roll back in after about 3 or 4 o'clock. And the rain chances are back after 5 or 6 on Saturday, just depending on where you are. Best chance for rain happening now for the day. Spotty showers, windy for the afternoon and the evening hours, and most of Saturday will be dry. And we can't say the same thing for Sunday. About half of the day we'll be expecting to see some rain. Looks like the first parts of the day on Sunday is when that rain will be around. So overall, yeah, you can see the solid chance for rain today. Rain chances way down after today, though. We're looking at both Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Just about a 40 or 30% chance for some rain. Temperatures this hour, 56, Pittsburgh, Butler 54, showing that rain coming down as well. 55 in Washington, and a high temperature, we can see it right there. We dropped it down to 61. We did have it at 64 degrees. Rain gets out of here. I want to show you what happens over the weekend. Dry to start the day on Saturday, but by 5 or 6 o'clock, rain starts to sneak in from the west. And notice what happens as we're waking up on Sunday. Temperatures cold enough, we could actually see just north of I-80, a little bit of snow working its way in with the rain. So yeah, we're not done just yet when it comes to some snow. It'll be interesting to see just how much we see. I do fully expect to see some reports right along I-80. There's your 7-day, 61 today, 50s, mid-50s Saturday and Sunday for highs. Chilly as we're waking up on Monday, so don't forget the jacket. 61 though, your high on Monday. Back to the 70s by next Tuesday. So a nice little dip. Also, I was just looking at the Pittsburgh Marathon. It is in 9 days. Next Sunday.
Wow.
It's looking like it's going to be a chilly one as well. So just get ready for that if you're